modding Company of Heroes, Dawn of War, or another Relic game, and need to access SGA archives. These contain all the game's assets ready for extraction. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these Relic Entertainment game archive files. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open an SGA file. Here's a sneak peek. Users typically encounter SGA files within the installation directories of games developed by Relic Entertainment, such as the Company of Heroes or Dawn of War series. These archives contain essential game assets like models, textures, and sounds. The user's intent is often to mod the game or troubleshoot issues. An SGA file is a proprietary binary archive designed for efficient loading of game assets by the Essence engine. It consolidates thousands of smaller files into a single package, reducing disk I/O overhead and load times. The format includes a header, a file index, and compressed data blocks for optimized performance. For comprehensive file management, SGA relies on Company of Heroes developed by Relic Entertainment. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows shows only limited details, so accessing these files depends on the engine or compatible modding utilities. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's header. Right-click the SGA file and click Open With. Test Company of Heroes first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key to success. If the SGA file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here is a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, using Relic mod tools. Download official Relic mod tools for your specific game or community-developed extractors like Corsix's Mod Studio for Dawn of War or Essence Editor for Company of Heroes. These tools open SGA archives displaying the file tree and allow extraction of individual assets or complete archive contents for modding work. Next, universal SGA extractors. Use general-purpose SGA tools like SGA Extractor or Relic SGA, which support multiple Relic games. These command line or GUI tools handle various SGA versions, automatically detecting the format and extracting contents to standard files for use in image editors, 3D software, or audio tools. Finally, repacking modified assets. After modifying extracted assets, use Relic's archive tools or community SGA packers to create new SGA archives. Place the modified archive in the game's data folder following modding documentation for your specific Relic title. Some games support loose file overrides, simplifying the modding workflow without repacking SGA archives. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.